Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'll show you here what this is here in a second. Let's open it up and see. It is the package. It's gonna be a LED sign, but let's see. Ooh, look at this. It comes packed really well. You can see here, all this foam. Let's see if we can take it out of here pretty nicely. And okay, so this is what it looks like here. Smells like paint or turpentine or something, but let's take off all this foam and I'll show you guys what this sign looks like when we light it up. Okay, I think I got it all off here. So this is what it looks like here. So you can see it. Let's plug it in and I'll show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like here. Check it out. It's Corona Extra. Oh, still got some more foam in there. So that's what it looks like there. So you can see it's got a really cool looking neon light. You can turn it off and on. And it's got all the little connectors and stuff. You can kind of see this will look great hanging up in any bar. You got the chain here to hang it from. It's got all these hooks here, I guess, to keep it from getting knocked into from things, but it's really good. The color is just awesome. I don't know if you can see how vibrant the color is on this. Like this one here's blue and then it switches, but like it's got two different tubes going to it. So it's like, it knows all the different tubes or all the different colors and things. I'll show you here in the back what it looks like. You see it's got all these different little connector things for it, for all the different little pieces and parts. So it's really well made, really nice. It says Han GBA, I guess is that brand or something on the bottom of it. I guess maybe it'd be the brand of the power supply. Yes, the neon power supply. So it's got one up top and one up the bottom. And this is what it looks like. So how cool is that? Really nice metal frame for it. And it was put together really good. It's clipped in great. It just looks awesome. So I'm gonna say this is a really cool thumbs up on this. If you have any kind of place to display this, it's gonna look amazing. I have white walls, so it looks a little like that, but if you had a bar with dark walls or something like that, you wouldn't even see the black. It would just be super pretty. So I'm gonna say this is really awesome. So thumbs up from me on this. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other videos soon.